Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. The world of cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving and is updated daily with new interesting projects. Among them there are many projects that have no value or are intended for entertainment. But today I would like to tell you about a really useful project in the field of health. In this video we will talk about a platform called Virtual Health Assistant, look at the key advantages and features of the project, its functionality and much more. So let's get started. First of all, let's find out what this project is. To do this, I suggest going to the official website of the platform to study it in more detail. Virtual Health Assistant is a leading Australian healthcare technology company with experience in healthcare, data security, design and usability. VHA is an innovative automated system and the first blockchain-based virtual medical assistant that provides immediate 24/7 medical care to patients. Virtual Health Assistant is a high-quality web-based video conferencing application for healthcare and medical consultations. VHA is committed to providing healthcare anywhere, anytime, reducing the need for in-person doctor visits. The project makes it much easier for users to access their medical records and treatment, giving them the ability to monitor their health. The blockchain-based VHA application brings numerous rewards to both users and token holders. VHA aims to use its proceeds to buy back tokens, donate to NGOs, reward holders and develop tokens. Why can you trust this application? It's very simple. Virtual Health Assistant conducts background checks of specialists as well as medical centers before accepting them into the team. Here you can choose your pharmacist and get nutritional supplements and prescription drugs from them at the best price. In addition, VHA offers a virtual appointment feature or allows you to get a physical referral to a specialist. Here you will find specialists with different experience and even the ability to speak several languages for your convenience. What's more, you can pay for doctor's services directly through the app using VHA token, USDT, Amex, as well as Visa and MasterCard. Platform token holders receive special benefits, which we will talk about a little later. In order to get acquainted with the main functionality of the platform, I suggest creating an account in the VHA application. To do this, enter your name, email address and password, and agree to the terms of use. You can also sign up with your Google and Facebook account. Now you can view the addresses of the nearest medical centers on the map and book an appointment with the doctor through the application. In the Home tab, you can search specialists by type of disease, see your last visits and addresses of medical centers. Also in the application you can use the balance of your wallet and if necessary replenish it. In addition, if you feel bad, you can call an ambulance in one click. It seems to me that this will be especially useful for the elderly and people suffering from serious illnesses. Now let's try to make an appointment with the doctor. To do this, select a specialist, time of visit and type of appointment. Personally, I prefer a physical visit to the doctor. If you decide to call a doctor at home, enter your address. Next, select a payment method, for example Visa. Enter your card details and pay for the visit. Now let's move on to the tokenomics of the Virtual Health Assistant. The platform has its own governance token on the Binance Smart Chain. Its total supply is 100 million coins. Of this, 35% is allocated for pre-sale, 23% for liquidity, 10% for development and marketing, and 10% for the CX reserve. The team keeps 7% of the total tokens for themselves, 5% for staking and the same amount for insurance and donations. Token holders will receive special benefits. For example, the 10% commission charge for appointments booked on the app will be shared between owners and development. In addition, holders will receive a 5% discount when making transactions using VHA tokens. As for social networks, Virtual Health Assistant actively develops them and tries to attract the attention of society. Here you can find a lot of useful and relevant information about the activities of the project. Subscribe to the official pages on Twitter, Telegram, Linktree and other social networks to be the first to know about all events and updates on the platform. It seems to me that Virtual Health Assistant is a really interesting and useful project that definitely deserves your attention. It allows you to get qualified help from leading experts through an easy-to-use and intuitive application. If you're interested in this project, you can familiarize yourself with it by clicking on the link in the description under this video. If this video was interesting for you, support it with a like and share your opinion about Virtual Health Assistant in the comments. Thank you for watching and goodbye.